I have a question for you. How long do you think it took to install this many beams? All right. So we start from here. This is all 2x6 powder coated aluminum. We installed a few of them. It took a little while, you know. There's 58 houses in total. The fronts have like basically double the other ones in a way because they have longer front, long on the front and long on the back, and then in the back on the other units they're shorter. And that's just because they wanted more roadside appeal, and then they wanted them to match in the middle. So we got our gate here, which we're just waiting for TELUS to get us our internet working, or phone internet, whatever you want to call it. And it's got ground loops and photo eyes, intercom. It's got a mag lock on it. So we got a mag lock here, and we took a 1/4x4 and we put it on like a 20-degree angle or something, and you can see how we sliced into each piece so that this piece would sink in as far as possible, so these would be strong and stiff without, you know, without really seeing any of it. That was our theory. We used a Viking G5 motor system, which is pretty much the most heavy duty linear type actuator you can get. Big screw thread actuator, mechanical screw thread. Down here we have this thing we built. Also made a 2x6 with it's got a like a gold powder coating job on it with a black wrap on the beam. That's what TJ likes. TJ likes to do it nice. He always wants to, you know, find some special detail, you know, to anything that he can, you know, do reasonably. He'll do it. So that's his mentality, is just make it better, make it the best you can, and make it reasonable, right? But these beams go on all the way down there and all the way throughout this entire complex. We made every single one of them. Put every single beam in that was needed for that application, at least. And or this, I forget which gray it is, but it looks good. It actually matched the tin really well, for considering, because powder coating doesn't normally match things super easily. It's kind of hard to get it perfect because one's baked and one's sprayed, and they cure differently, and it's not always easy to match stuff up perfect.